You're watching TelecomTV from the MEF Annual Members Meeting in Boston. I'm joined now by Stan Hubbard, who is the MEF's Director of Communications and Research. Stan, good to talk to you again.
Yeah, good to be here.
It's the end of the Annual Members Meeting. What has been achieved here in Boston?
This was a great meeting for MEF. We brought together players from across the ecosystem to focus on accelerating the shift toward agile, assured, and orchestrated third network services. Here we had work around 4 key work areas: third network services, LSO, open initiatives, and the certification program.
So if we look at the first of those areas, the third network, what progress has been made on the third network?
Well, you know, for the longest time we've been focused on driving adoption of Carrier Ethernet and Carrier Ethernet 2.0 in particular. And so we're building upon a Carrier Ethernet 2.0 foundation, having interconnected networks and doing that on a global basis. But what we've been working on most recently, over the last 2 quarters especially, is adding in IP service attributes work. And now we've also done security. We're adding security into the mix and higher layer services. The goal here really is to move towards a situation where we're able to have orchestrated services, not just over a single network, but over multiple service providers. And so I mentioned the LSO as a key work area. LSO is really about automating end-to-end service delivery across network domains within a single operator and across ultimately domains across multiple operators. So on the LSO front, we had work on the LSO reference architecture, dealing with the APIs between network elements in the orchestrator and also between service providers.
And what about your open initiatives? Because is this something we're seeing new this year?
Right. So we began a lot of work on the open initiatives when we introduced that to the market with our CTO, our new CTO, Pascal Menezes. And on the open front, we have open connectivity services projects and also open LSO projects.
What about the fourth area, certification? Because I know the MEF is really strong on its professional program.
Right. The certification programs have been a really critical part of the MEF's success. We've had services, technology, and professional certification. So the key thing that we've done here on the certification front is made progress towards being able to certify orchestrated services.
Excellent. Stan, thank you very much indeed.
Thank you.